So many women tell me, I just want to grow my online business, but I don't feel confident going on camera. I understand that deeply, but here's the truth. You're actually not afraid of being on the camera. You're afraid of what other people will think. You're afraid of being judged. And once you learn to shift the focus off of yourself and onto the person that needs your help, everything changes. In today's video, I'm breaking down the 5 steps in my binge-worthy series, The Confidence to Be Seen, so you can finally show up online with confidence, clarity, presence, and ease, and start attracting the right clients with confidence. Stay with me till the end because I'm going to share with you how you can continue this momentum inside my Digital Success Club, where we practice this together consistently. Hello, I'm Dr. Shelley Nash, mindset, confidence, and style coach, retired chiropractor, and cat mom of 2. I've been where you are, wanting more time and more income and a life that feels aligned without the overwhelm. I've built businesses and reinvented myself more times than I can count. And I learned firsthand that confidence isn't something you're born with. And that's exactly what I teach in my Digital Success Club. How to show up confidently as yourself, market with alignment, and create digital income with ease. Already ready? You can join my Digital Success Club with the link below. The reason you freeze when the camera turns on is not because you don't know what to say. It's because you're focused too much on yourself, what you're going to say, what you look like, and what people are thinking of you. When you shift your attention to the person that needs your message, then confidence begins to feel natural. Speak to one person that needs to hear that you've learned, lived through, and come through it. Confidence starts with service of others, not performance. You're not too late. You're right on time. Someone needs to hear from you. Finding yourself wanting more of this kind of support? Join my Digital Success Club today. When you become one of the first 50 founding members, you will become an integral part of the community. Get the link below. You don't need to shout or speak louder. You just need to speak with clarity. Confidence comes from clarity in these 3 areas. Who are you helping? What do they need? And what transformation are you guiding them towards? When your message is clear, your confidence rises and your content lands. You don't need to speak to everyone. Speak to the ones that feel seen when you speak. That's how influence begins. Confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about presence. Your audience connects with your energy, not your image. When you allow yourself to relax, to breathe, to just be yourself, you become magnetic. You don't need to look different. You don't need to sound different. Your presence is enough. And yes, if you want to feel instantly confident on camera, then grab my free PDF, The Top 10 Style Hacks to Instantly Elevate Your On-Camera Presence. It's the exact plan I use to align my outer style with my inner confidence, so I could show up authentically on camera and attract the clients that were just waiting for me. The more you are you, the more people will lean in. Your authenticity is what people remember. When you let go of comparison and show up as yourself, something shifts. You are your brand. You are your magnetism. The right people don't need you to be perfect. They need you to be real. Inner work and personal development help you to know yourself and share your natural gifts with others. Learn to let go and just be yourself. Your magnetism will start to shine. Become a part of my Digital Success Club for more support about being your authentic self. Find the link below. You've done the inner work. Now visibility is where growth happens. Confidence is built with consistency, showing up little by little, day by day. When you practice being seen, your message strengthens. Your presence deepens and your impact expands naturally. This is that moment when fear becomes momentum, where hiding becomes seen, where you step into your life fully. If this message resonated, if there's something inside of you saying, yes, I'm ready to be seen, then this is your next step. Join me inside my Digital Success Club. This is where we build confidence, visibility, income, and identity together, not alone. And also remember to grab your free top 10 style hacks below. This will help you show up on camera confidently starting today. I want to ask you, what part of showing up online feels the hardest for you right now? Comment below. Is it confidence, clarity, consistency? I want to know so that I can help you because we need to get you through that because your audience is waiting for you. Now that you know the 5 steps to showing up online with confidence, even if you've been hiding, you might be wanting to learn more about me and why I started this business so that you can jumpstart your passive income journey. It all starts with watching this next video because when you pair it with what you just learned, it's going to be way more powerful. See you in the next video.